Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video of Android series, we are going to be talking about the top 3 best Android applications. So first of all, the application we are going to be talking about today is Google Go. It's an alternative of Google Chrome browser. If you use Google Chrome browser in your low weighted phone or low processor phone, then your phones might get hang. So you can use this browser to save your data, and so let's see how it works. So first of all, you'll have to download this application from Play Store, Google Go, and you can see that it is a best application to browse internet, and it's a lightweighted application, so you can just download in low processor phones, so your phone will not get hanged using this application. Okay, so the second application I'm going to be talking about today is Activity Bubble. Okay, it's the best application for you if you wanna discover that how much you use your phone in a day. So it's kinda wallpaper for your mobile phone, so you'll have to set wallpaper. Okay, so now as you can see that whenever you unlock your phone or whenever you use your phone, there will be a bubble on your desktop. So okay, so if I set to desktop, then you can see that here is a bubble, and whenever I unlock my phone or whenever I use my phone, there will be a bubble in my wallpaper. So it's great to know how much you use your mobile phone to enhance your productivity, to enhance productivity in your day. So it's a great application. And the third application I'm going to be talking about today is Memorigi. Memorigi is the best application, best to-do application. It's like organize your day, enhance productivity in your day using this application. So Memorigi, it's like a to-do list for a day. So using this application in the inbox, and you can see that I'm going to do something at this time, and you'll have to write this, and then it will notify you when the time is up. So it's a great thing, it's a great to-do application, and you can just enhance your productivity using this application. So these are the 3 best and top application for this week, and that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.